Hey, what's happening, sneakerheads? How you doing? How y'all been?
Happening? What's happening? What's good?
So in this video, we got the updates and recap. Starting off with the updates. So we finally have images of the complete set of Supreme and Nike SB Dunk Low collection releasing in May. So we're taking a look at this nice picture right here. We do see all of them had the 95 on the back. We'll go in more detail when these come in May, but right now we're just doing an overview, so we'll keep you informed of what's to come. All these dunks are very nice. They do feature that rugged suede on all of them. It will have that 95 on the back tab of the shoe. They do have all will come with the orange hang tag. So we do have a white pair, black pair. One of my favorite is that black and UNC blue. Then we have a gray and purple, which I think also looks nice. Then my brother might like these. Look like a little bit of yellow and gold, or that could be gray. I don't know. Let me know down in the comments, sneakerheads. You rocking these shoes? Are you looking forward to these? Are you going to grab you a pair? These are some nice dunks that are coming in May, and I'm pretty sure they're all going to be hard to get, but we'll talk more about that in the future. Right now, expected retail price for all these will be $135, and maybe they will be dropping all these at the same day, so you may have an easy chance to cop these. I don't know. Only time will tell. We'll just have to wait and see. So make sure you click that notification bell button so you can keep you updated with all the sneaker news that you need. And we're not like these other sneaker YouTubers. We don't hype up the shoes. Me and my bro, we just give you our honest opinions, and we don't be hyping up those shoes because we're not no resellers like all these other shoe tubers are. But so you're hearing it from us. I know we do value your opinion, so it is community here. We try to get you to comment on the page so we can have this discussion and just have a good channel and continue our channel to grow, because we are fairly new as far as reviewing shoes. But in order to get better, we need some feedback from y'all, and we appreciate y'all tuning in with us. So moving on to Jordan recaps. These are shoes that came out from January 19th through the 25th. I'm gonna go ahead and start off. So we did have the Jordan 5 Golden Ticket. This was a female shoe. This did come at a price point of $200. Initially, when the shoes dropped, sizes 7 through 9 sold out, but it looks like they had another restock, because right now the only shoes that are sold out is 8.5, 10, and 12. Again, those are women's sizes. All other sizes are still remaining. Let us know down in the comments where you're able to grab you a pair. So what we got next, my brother?
So on January the 23rd, we did have the Air Jordan 11 Low Year of the Snake. Price point for those were $190. And according to Nike.com, all sizes are still available. I say it again. All sizes are still available. Jordan Brand, put some thought behind that price point.
Yes,
Really?
sir. Definitely.
Because you threw some snake skin on the shoe and you want to mark it up to 190. Come on, man. Let's get real with that, Jordan Brand. Hey, drop us a comment down below. Hey, either you agree or disagree. But 190, hey, the proof is in the pudding. All sizes are still available.
Yes, sir. So moving on the same day, we're supposed to have a Jordan 5 Year of the Snake as well. This did have a price point of $200. Now, this shoe did not release. I did not see it release, but let me know down in the comments that you see that shoe drop, because I did not see that release. So let us know that these shoes sold out, because I didn't see these released and I don't see any pairs available. This shoe looks more like a springtime Easter shoe to me. It's very clean for the Easter time, but I don't think these would have done well right now. So I should have saw at least a few. Let me know down in the comments that these shoes release, and plan to go to the local mall probably tomorrow. So I'll let you know what I see in stores. But on Nike.com, I did not see these release. So we got next, my brother.
January the 25th, we did have the Air Jordan 6 Deutschenbach. Drop me a comment down below if I'm pronouncing that correct way. Price point for those were $200. Hey, according to Nike.com, hey, nice work, Jordan Brand. All sizes did sell out. According to Nike.com,
Yes, sir.
all sizes did sell out. Now, my brother, this is the Easter shoe right here. It has more of that Easter look than those Year of the Snake, right?
Yes, sir.
But nice
I
work
agree.
there. Nice work there, Jordan Brand. Drop us a comment down below if you were able to snatch up any of those shoes. But once again, all sizes did sell out.
So just so you know, most of that shoes from the collection did sell out. However, the Nike Air Max Cinder, Deutschenberg Freestyle, they do have some few sizes remaining in women's 6 through women's 9. So if you want those, go on Nike.com and scoop them up, sneakerheads. Yes, sir.
Hey, and if you guys continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
Like we say for sure, when you're blessed,
hey, bless others. Peace.
Peace.